Well, hi everybody, this is a stay-at-home grandma, and this is the FORUNICORN salt and pepper shaker. And I got this, I have one, but I got this, I'm going to give this as a gift probably or something. I'm getting my gift set now. But I just wanted to review it. I'm in love with these pepper shakers because, well now this one runs by battery. And I don't think they have the batteries in it. I don't have any batteries. But you press this thing at the top, and the salt of the pepper comes out, and it's got these little things down at the bottom. I don't know if you can see it, but it shows you what it's diagonal or whatever. This is going to be, no, actually it is. There it is right there. Lift that up, put it back down again. So you take that, yeah, so they've got the lines in it. I don't know. I might actually keep a new note, but I have one already, but that's really good. Excuse me, I have a cold still. This is the salt. This is the pepper shake. So there's two of them in there, and there is, yes, directions for it. But I'm liking this. So if you like it, all you have to do is give it a thumbs up, like, share, and subscribe. Leave a comment. Leave a comment in the comment section, and I will put all the information in the comment section for you. This is the instructions, and it is battery powered. So, again, if you like this, like, share, and subscribe. Leave a comment in the comment section, and I will put everything in the comment section for you. Take care. I love you. God bless. Bye-bye.